We're diving into the important topic of car insurance coverage, specifically the differences between comprehensive and collision coverage. As drivers, our vehicles are essential, and securing the right insurance can offer both financial protection and peace of mind. Let's start with comprehensive coverage. This type of insurance shields your vehicle against unexpected, non-collision events. It protects you from situations such as severe weather damage, theft, vandalism, falling objects, or even an unfortunate animal collision. With comprehensive coverage, you essentially have a safety net against risks that are outside of your control. If a tree limb falls on your car during a storm, or if you experience theft, your comprehensive policy can help cover the repair or replacement costs, minimizing the financial setback. On the other hand, collision coverage is focused on incidents where your car physically hits another object. This can include accidents with other vehicles or collisions with fixed objects like poles or guardrails. Collision insurance is especially important if you drive in areas with heavy traffic or on roads known for hazards. Even careful drivers can encounter situations where a sudden collision leads to substantial repair bills. Collision coverage ensures that if you're involved in an accident, you are not left shoulder deep in repair costs. It's critical to understand that while both types of coverage protect your vehicle, they function in distinct ways. Comprehensive insurance rules out physical collisions. It's about protecting against damages from elements beyond your control. In contrast, collision insurance steps in when accidents occur, covering damages that result from impacts with objects or other vehicles. This differentiation is vital when deciding on a policy that best suits your driving environment and habits. Let's consider essential scenarios that highlight these differences. Imagine you leave your car parked overnight in an area where vandalism or theft is a real risk. In the event of damage from such an incident, comprehensive coverage is designed to cover the repairs. Now, picture yourself driving during rush hour in a congested urban area. Even with caution, a minor fender bender might occur. In that instance, collision coverage plays a crucial role in getting your vehicle back into shape without being burdened by exorbitant repair bills. One major factor to consider is cost. Premiums for comprehensive coverage are generally lower than those for collision coverage because they address risks that tend to occur less frequently or are less severe compared to collisions. Your location, driving history, and the specific value of your vehicle all impact premium costs. Additionally, both types of coverage come with deductibles, the amount you pay out of pocket before your insurance kicks in. When reviewing your budget, it's important to factor in these deductibles as well as the likelihood of each type of incident occurring. Real-world scenarios can help simplify your decision. Think of comprehensive coverage as a safeguard against the unpredictable, unexpected natural disasters, falling debris, or animal impacts. It provides a sense of security when you park your car in high-risk areas or live in regions with severe weather. On the flip side, if your daily commute involves heavy traffic or if you frequently face stop-and-go driving conditions, collision coverage becomes more relevant. Even minor accidents can lead to significant expenses, and it may be wise to ensure that these incidents are fully covered. While choosing your coverage, it's also important to understand the limitations and exclusions of your policy. Comprehensive policies may exclude intentional damage or scenarios involving negligent behavior. Collision coverage, similarly, might have exclusions for accidents involving uninsured drivers. Reading the fine print of your auto insurance policy is essential. Understanding what isn't covered can help you prepare, ensuring you're not caught off guard during a claim. An informed decision requires evaluating your personal circumstances. Consider where you live, how often you drive, and the typical environment you navigate daily. Do you reside in an area with unpredictable weather or one where theft and vandalism are common? Are your daily commutes through busy, high-risk traffic zones? These answers will guide you in determining whether to lean towards comprehensive, collision, or perhaps even both.
Another key aspect is the value of your vehicle. Newer or high-value vehicles might justify the additional expense of carrying both comprehensive and collision coverage. This dual protection ensures that whether your vehicle suffers from a non-collision event or an accident, it remains protected. Conversely, if you're driving an older car with a lower market value, you might decide that comprehensive coverage offers a better balance between cost and protection, especially if collision risks are minimal for your driving habits. Many drivers also find benefits when bundling both comprehensive and collision coverage for a streamlined policy. Insurance providers often offer discounts when policies are bundled, which can lead to significant savings over time. Bundling not only simplifies your coverage management but also ensures that you're comprehensively protected across different types of incidents. When speaking with your insurance agent or provider, always inquire about available discounts or any package deals that could work to your financial advantage. It's equally important to periodically review your auto insurance policy. Life isn't static. Moving to a new area, acquiring a different vehicle, or even changes in your daily commute can alter your risk profile. Regular reviews of your policy help to ensure that your coverage remains adequate and that you are not paying for more or less than what you truly need. Keeping your policy up to date with your current situation is key to maintaining continuous, effective protection. As you consider your options, balance the risk factors against the cost of each policy. It's not simply about selecting the cheaper option. It's about understanding your personal driving environment and ensuring that you have the right coverage in place should the unexpected occur. Make sure to evaluate both the premiums and the deductible structure, as these will influence how much you ultimately pay out of pocket. Getting the most value from your policy involves a careful, informed assessment of how different events could impact you financially. In conclusion, the choice between comprehensive and collision coverage is not a one-size-fits-all decision. It requires a thoughtful analysis of your driving habits, local risks, and the overall value of your vehicle. Comprehensive coverage offers protection for non-collision events like weather damage, theft, or vandalism, while collision coverage is indispensable for accidents caused by physical impacts. By understanding the nuances of each and evaluating your personal circumstances, you can secure the best policy that balances risk with cost, ultimately yielding peace of mind on the road. Thank you for listening. Take the time to review your current coverage and consult with an insurance expert if needed. A well-informed decision today can save you significant headaches and financial burdens tomorrow, ensuring that you and your vehicle are protected no matter what comes your way.